I'm working on a mini R55 BCM body control module. It looks like that. It's a fuse box in a combination with an ECU. The problem with this unit is that the fuel pump from the reservoir has an intermittent problem. From time to time it switches off, and this is a common problem. From this relay there is a cold joint on the board, on the back of the board, and to reach this side of the board you have to split the board like that. To do that it's a little bit difficult because the board is very thick and absorbs very much heat. For example, with the hot air station we cannot unsolder this side or this one. You must use some desoldering gun with vacuum in a combination with the hot air station and with the low melt solder. It's a solder that melts at very low temperature. And just like that you will be able to split the board like that. I'm gonna switch to the microscope for you to see the cold joint. Okay, so here it is, this one from here. You can tell there is a crack here. I'm gonna tilt the board, maybe we can see better. Or like that. So it's a big crack in this joint. Right now all I have to do is to resolder this joint using a big tip on my soldering station. A little bit of flux. And some leaded solder. I don't want to put too much solder on this joint because on the back of the board we will short these two pins. Let's clean it. It's the same thing that happens to Ford Focus BCM module. Now all I have to do is to put the board back, but first I need to wipe this solder from this pin. I'm gonna use a wick. And a little bit here. And I need to cut the wick right now. Okay. Just like that. Let me check the other pins. Okay, we are okay. So right now I have to put the board back. Just like that. And now resolder all the pins. Let's add some flux. Look at that. We do not want to leave those joints like that. From under the coating here, the solder was melted and it pops out. Very dangerous, because those are short circuits here. And all the solder blobs should be removed. Okay, let's check the other components to make sure we do not have solder blobs anywhere. And we got some here. You can remove them just by resoldering again those joints. And we are good. Or not. We may still have here No, it's okay. We may ended up repairing something and damaging something else. It looks okay. Let's add flux. And I'm gonna use the same big tip to resolder. It's difficult to do this job if you don't have the proper tools and the experience. It may look easy, but it's not that easy. Only if you know what you're doing. And we have 4 pins more to go. Okay, one more. And let's clean. I'm gonna use some steel brush to clean all the burned flux here. Just like that. Okay, they are looking good. All right. Okay, so I'm done with this repairing. I'm gonna assemble the unit and send it to the customer. Then I'm gonna work on something else.